Aloha! Welcome to 808 Deaf News. Today's news is about the spread of COVID. COVID numbers continue to soar. More and more people are infected with the virus. There is a possibility that the mask mandate will be reinstated. Right now, we are seeing the numbers starting to increase, warning others to be prepared, that action might need to be taken. The only action is encouraging everyone to wear a mask to mitigate the infection from spreading. If we absolutely have to, the mask mandate will be reinstated. The State Department of Health will make that determination. The city will follow DOH's lead. Dr. Jim Ireland, director of the Emergency Medical Service Department, said that large numbers, such as graduations, are a key source of the spread. Hundreds of people, if not more, gather to these events to celebrate. Someone attending the event is unknowingly going to have COVID, and if they have close contact with people, there's a chance they can spread it. As of this past Wednesday, the 7-day average statewide, according to the Department of Health's count, is 925 infected cases a day. This does not include home COVID testing. Hospitalization numbers have increased from 88 to 126. However, the number of critically ill patients in the ICU hasn't increased. Early this week, Governor Ige said officials don't believe the daily average of 125 is accurate because home COVID testing is not included. They feel it is likely 5 times the average number, so it could be around 4,600 plus cases a day. That puts us at the peak of Omicron. As of now, wearing masks are not required. We'll just wait. The reporter asked why it hasn't been reinstated. What are you waiting for? Is it because of the lack of appetite for increased restrictions? Or is it because there is no increased number of patients in the ICU? Ige's response, it is a combination of both. The reporter asked the director, Dr. Jim Ireland, at some point, is it inevitable that everyone will get COVID? The director's response said, yes. At some point, most people will likely contract COVID, but it won't be as severe. It will hopefully be a mild case. The next segment of the news is to spotlight a deaf woman, Emily Jo Noschese. She is the one and only first deaf student to graduate at the University of Hawaii, UH, with a doctorate degree. This makes her unique. She specialized in linguistics. Over the years, her studies has taken her to Gallaudet University, where she received her BA degree and then a master's degree in linguistics. She taught ASL classes at the university and college levels. She moved to Honolulu and became involved in an endangered language documentation program, a project that involved documenting and the preservation of Hawaiian Sign Language, HSL. While involved in this program, her team encouraged her to apply to the PhD program at the University of Hawaii, Manoa. They recognized her success and excellent contribution throughout the project. She took their advice and applied and accepted. On her application, Emily Jo stated this has been a dream of hers since she was 10 years old to get her PhD. Her studies, research, and dissertation was specifically on American Sign Language, ASL. Her dissertation is truly a valuable resource for deaf education. Her research focused on young users of ASL. Her work will also help ASL classroom instructors who teach ASL in college. Her dissertation is also helpful to young parents and teachers who teach ASL. This will have a lasting impact on deaf education program. Manoa Provost Michael Bruno said, "We are so honored that she chose Manoa as a place for her to build her academic interest and passion." What a wonderful achievement getting her doctorate degree. You know, her success will inspire other students who are ready to begin their own journey in pursuing their PhD. Congratulations, Emily Jo.